In this video, we will show you how to sort by date on Google Sheet or Google Spreadsheets. In here, we have some data look like this and including the dates. And before you perform sorting the date, make sure the date format is correct. I will block this date format, you can see here. Okay, so we can focus in here. And in here, I'm using the first is month, and the second with slash is date, and the last is year. You can see for another format for the date in the format here and select number, and you can custom date and times. As you can see, there is many date format that works with Google Sheet or Google Spreadsheets. Okay, you can choose whatever the date you want. Okay, for example, let's choose using this. Okay, after converting it look like this, it clear. Then we can sorting this from the oldest to the newest, or the reverse. Let sorting this by blocking all of the data and choose in here sort range and advanced range sorting options. In here, because the date in column G, select the column G in here. Okay, and if you choose A to Z, the date will come from the oldest to newer, and for this is reverse from the newest to older. Let's select this from oldest to newest. Okay, click sort. After that, you can see from 1999, you can see until 2021. You can also reverse this by clicking data, select sort range and advanced range sorting options, and let's see, we choose the date from the newest to oldest by selecting the Z from A or Z to A and click sort. You can see now from the newest date into the oldest date. And that's all tutorial how to sort by date in Google Sheets, and it's very easy. Hope this video helpful for you.